Hello, good people. This is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here at Adroit Architecture, we are all about providing you with on-point and affordable services in the construction industry. Karibuni sana. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on your notification. This way, you'll be informed every time we have a new video up. If you've been with us, thank you for your continued support. Let's get into the video. Today, we bring to you the portal entrance for Bedroom Bungalow home design. This is a beautiful and very unique bungalow design. As the name suggests, the home has a covered semi-enclosed portal entrance that is grand and imposing, commonly found in castles and cathedrals. The living areas in this four-bedroom bungalow are located at the center, with the bedrooms located on the two wings. This gives a good demarcation of your private and public spaces. This home design features a very open plan setup. An open plan setup makes rooms feel very spacious with ease of movement from one space to another. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. The beautiful and grand covered semi-enclosed portal entrance porch brings you into the entrance lobby of this beautiful four-bedroom bungalow. At the entrance lobby, you have the visitor's cloakroom, discreetly located. I love the position of the cloakroom. From the entrance lobby, step into the spacious dining room, where you can sit a large group for a formal meal. Next to the dining room, you have your kitchen. The kitchen has a kitchen island where you can enjoy some casual seating and some mealtime with your family. You have a good-sized walk-in pantry to meet all your storage needs. Next to the pantry, you have your laundry room. It is well fitted and ready for all your laundry machines. From the laundry room, you have a door that leads you to the kitchen porch. Right ahead from your dining room, you have a spacious living room, complete with a fireplace. A fireplace is a nice thing to have for people who are living in cold areas. The spacious living room has big sliding doors that take you to the spacious back porch. The back porch has the same portal entrance design and provides an excellent space for all your outdoor seating. So, you have your living room that takes you to the back porch where you've set up a beautiful outdoor seating area, and from the back porch, you can step into your beautiful backyard. This is where you can set up a garden and even a swimming pool if your budget allows. The bedrooms are located on the two wings of this beautiful home. On one wing, you have the master bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. On the same wing, you have another ensuite bedroom. The other two ensuite bedrooms are located on the other wing. The three bedrooms are well sized for two occupants with enough closet space. The total size of the portal entrance for bedroom bungalow is 215 square meters. The overall plinth dimension of this home is 16.4 meters by 16.4 meters. This design is perfectly suited for a quarter-acre piece of land. The cost of construction for this house is approximately 8.6 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good budget to work with and have in mind, but always remember there are a lot of factors that can affect the cost of construction, and so be flexible in this area. And that is the portal entrance for bedroom bungalow. It features a grand portal entrance porch and back porch with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a cloakroom. And that is what we had for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. If you're interested in this home design or any other design on our YouTube channel, get in touch with us. We have provided our email addresses and our telephone contacts, and we can help you with your construction project. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in our next video.